vegetables. This is brinjal. This is cabbage. This is lettuce finger. This is gourd. This is turnip. This is cauliflower. This is radish. This is parval. This is aram. This is bean. This is cucurbitaceous fruit. This is beet. This is snake gourd. This is green plantain. This is green jack. This is plantain flower. This is pea pod. This is aram. This is bean. This is pumpkin. This is onion. This is corn. This is garlic. This is mushroom. This is cucumber. This is bitter gourd. This is ginger. This is sweet potato. This is broccoli. This is tomato. This is potato. This is chilli. This is carrot.